our 2-burner hot plate. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 12 inches, depth of 27.5 inches, and a height of 13.5 inches with legs. Minus the legs, we have 8 3/4 inches. Coming to the top are 2 removable burner plates. Each plate will measure 11 by 7/8 in length and a depth of also 11 by 7/8. To the front will be the dual temperature control. And coming to the bottom will be the removable waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 24 1/4 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Tray can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the hot plate. Coming to the right side will be the CSA and ANSI certification. Also included will be the propane orifice along with information for this hot plate. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.